Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I did some filming this morning and for whatever reason I turned my phone on time lapse, which was fun. So if you want to see that video, oh, maybe I'll put it up as a short. It probably will be pretty cool looking, but yeah, that is what happened. So let's hop in here. I've got my G210 and let's put in, I know I've got some groceries that I need to put down on my grocery list side. Avocados are always on our list, and now the new thing that is permanently on the list is cottage cheese. Wes is not a cottage cheese fan, but I have found that I really like just starting off the day with a little bowl of cottage cheese and maybe like a little bit of blueberries or some raspberries. Right now I have blueberries and blackberries, so that is a wonderful combination. For chores, of course, vacuum and mop, counters, bedding, ironing. It's not my favorite thing to do at all. And then Monday, I need to be at work by 7:30. Work by 7:30, which means I need to leave the house by 7. Same with Tuesday. And Wednesday. And then I am going to reevaluate how that is looking as far as like workload goes. And then whoopsie. Oh, just so you know, this is the bowl or the cup that I use to measure rice into my rice maker. And this is what I used to make all of these little circles. I know, right? So cute. So cute. Orders. I do have a Coffee Monsters Co. Oh, Coffee Monsters Co. order. And then what else do I have coming in? I think that's it. I do need to check on jet pens though and see if I can get a refill. So maybe that'll go under, let me put that on Thursday as a reminder. Check pen refill. I don't want to forget to do that. Yeah. And then Friday, there was something. Oh, I need to start looking for upright freezers. Pricing them out, seeing how expensive they are. If they're too expensive, realistically, I can do a chest freezer. I would just prefer an upright because I'm afraid of losing things. I already lose things in our regular size freezer. I can't imagine just throwing stuff into a chest freezer. If you have a chest freezer, let me know how you keep it organized, or talk me out of getting one if it is really that difficult to keep organized, because I'm afraid that's what's going to happen, is I'm not going to keep it organized. I feel like this needs just a couple little doodly-doos. Doesn't that look like it just needs a couple little like hearts to look like vines? Yeah. I love that I can come back in after I've set it up and decided that this is what I want. And then I'm like, well, kind of, is it really what I want? Like I want it a little bit prettier. So I'm just going to add a few little, and that's all it takes. Like, look at that. That's all it takes. It doesn't take a whole bunch of like artsy stuff. It's just a couple little loops. That's it. And that just dresses it up so much. So much. Okay. So yeah, as the week goes on, I will definitely fill in more, but I did want to show you this since I filmed it in time lapse. I hope you have an awesome week. Let me know what you think of this layout and let me know if you're going to try it. If you do try it, right off the bat looking at it, can you see anything that you would change? Because I'm always looking for, new layouts and new ways to do things. So I love you. I hope you have an amazing week ahead, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.